Well, it was a dry start to the month of June. Since the third week of June, we have seen significant waves of moisture move through West Michigan, and last night was no exception to that. Portage once again leading the way with storm damage, storm activity, and rainfall totals. 3.5 inches of rain there. 3.2 in Schoolcraft. Notice a lot of the heavier amounts were down near Van Buren and Kalamazoo County. The Kalamazoo Airport, 2.5. Grand Rapids, also 2.58. East Grand Rapids was the highest near I-96 at just under 3 inches. Benton Harbor saw 2.2 inches of rain in just 2 hours. So it was really significant rainfall rates for a time for those southern communities. Caledonia, Hudsonville over towards Holland, anywhere between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain. So decent rainfall amounts there. We're still tracking some light showers here currently, but it's not significant in terms of adding measurable numbers. 85 still at the Kalamazoo Airport, while we're at 78 in South Haven. Notice the wind off the lakeshore starting to make a difference for Fenville, Holland, and those communities along the lakeshore. We're just at 71 in Whitehall, while it's 79 in the city of Muskegon. We're at a comfortable 80 in Ionia, Big Rapids, and in Fremont. We have cooler air still trickling in. As our winds shift, we're going to get back into the 70s for both Wednesday and Thursday. Not very common or like West Michigan here in the middle of July to see a couple of 70s, but we are going to stay very seasonable here on the tail end of this 7-day forecast with no major warm-up and no major cool down, but that also means no major systems in the forecast. Here's where our dew points stand, and these are going to be continuing to trickle back. Still some 70s from Grand Rapids to the south as the first cold front slides through, but the second one sets up north, and we're already seeing dew points back in the low 60s. So there will be a significant difference in our humidity in the atmosphere between this evening and tomorrow evening. And with that, we'll take what we can get as South Haven sits here quiet. Waves still a little choppy. We have some 2 to 4 footers out there. Nothing overly significant, but it is a red flag out there as it stands at the beach. Ravenna starting to see some of the clearing in the sky. This is going to continue to shift off to the south and east. So Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek areas in line to see at least a little bit of clearing into the evening hours, albeit we do track some shower chances, which mostly remain along and south of I-94. And then off towards the east side of the state. Wednesday morning, one last push of moisture with that second cold front setting up. This may bring some isolated shower pockets, maybe a quick pulse of a stronger system, but it's not going to be much, very isolated. Wednesday evening dry, Thursday dry, and with it comes a lot of sunshine as well. So we are looking very quaint into the middle and end of this work week. Again, I think tomorrow morning's really our last chance for showers. So can't rule out an isolated shower tonight, but I think most of us will just sit under partly to mostly cloudy skies with a low of 63 degrees as we enjoy pleasant 70s and humidity continuing to drop. But the weekend, sunshine and low 80s, almost perfect.